Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get the repost button on Instagram. So let's start our video. So guys, if you did not find the repost button when you're watching any reels or any post that you cannot repost it, all you need to do is to go to the App Store or Play Store and make sure that your Instagram application is up to date. Once you up to date it and you still cannot find it, all you can do is to delete the application and reinstall it again, and that way you can get the repost button. So now where you can find that, if you go to the Instagram application and you tap on the reels if you want to watch. So if I tap on the reels, and if you see here, right here, you will find the repost option right here. So if I go to another post here, as you can see, that is a reel as well, and I can see the repost option. All you need to do is to just tap on it and it will be reposted. So guys, this is how you can get your repost button on Instagram. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.